TME 10 Cookery Quarter 2 Module 5 Perform Mise en place in preparing and cooking seafood dishes. Lesson 2 Parts of a fish. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify different parts of a fish, describe the functions of the parts of a fish, and appreciate the relevance of identifying parts of a fish for future career. Content standard. The learners demonstrate an understanding in preparing and cooking seafood dishes. Performance standard. The learners independently prepares and cooks seafood dishes. External parts of a fish are outer parts of a fish that made up its structures and form, can affect feeding and type of culture. The following are external parts of a fish and their functions. Mouth is a part used by the fish to catch their prey and serves for taking in food, also for breathing current of water. Pectoral fins are primarily responsible for control of directional movement up and down or side to side. Nostrils used to detect odors in water and can be quite sensitive. Gill cover. It protects the gills and serves a role for respiration. Fish can acquire dissolved oxygen through pumping water over their gills by opening and closing their jaws and opercula. Eyes. These prevent unwanted light from reaching the fish photoreceptors. It also camouflages the eye. Pelvic fins help balance the fish, keep it level, and prevent it from rolling from side to side. Dorsal fins. Main purpose of the dorsal fins are to stabilize the animal against rolling and to assist in sudden turns. Scales provide protection from the environment and from predators. Anal fin provides stability, functioning like a keel on the bottom of a boat. Vent is the external opening to digestive, urinary, and reproductive tracts. It is the control center of the fish. Tail fin is the main source of the movement for most fish. It's like the motor of a boat. Lateral line. Information used for prey detection, spatial orientation, predator avoidance, schooling behavior, intraspecific communication and station holding. Internal parts of a fish are inner parts of a fish that's responsible for the different body functions for the fish to live well. The following are internal parts of a fish and their functions. Kidney filters liquid waste materials from the blood, regulates water and salt concentrations within the fish's body. Intestines digesting and absorbing feedstuffs, critical for water and electrolyte balance, endocrine regulation of digestion, metabolism, and immunity. Bladder. Maintaining buoyancy, but it is also involved in respiration and sound production. Muscles. Generate propulsion forces, propelling the fish forward through the water. Stomach. Aids in digestion. Pylori caica secretes enzymes that aid in digestion, may function to absorb digested food or do both. Liver, important in the destruction of all blood cells and in maintaining proper blood chemistry, as well as playing a role in nitrogen excretion. Spinal cord connects the brain to the rest of the body and relays sensory information from the body to the brain, as well as instructions from the brain to the rest of the body. Heart, responsible for the pumping of depleted oxygen in fish body. Brain, coordinating balance and controlling the movements that help fish swim. Gills, allow fish to breathe underwater, organs located on the side of the fish heads that have many small blood vessels called capillaries.